Today, we're diving into an exciting speed test comparison between two of the hottest smartphones on the market right now, the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both of these phones pack a serious punch, but they take very different approaches under the hood. While most flagships are running Qualcomm or MediaTek chips, Google is doing its own thing with the Tensor G4. The big question is, can it match up to or even surpass the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let's find out. But first, I want to give a big shout out to Ctech Air for conducting all the tests you'll see in this video. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. As always, we're starting with a classic boot up test to see which phone gets up and running the fastest. Both phones are powered down and will hit the power buttons simultaneously. And the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the lead here, hooting up noticeably faster than the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro eventually catches up, but it's clear that the S24 Ultra has the edge right out of the gate. Next up, we're going to put these phones through their paces with a CPU benchmark using Geekbench 6. This will give us a clear picture of the raw processing power behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra and the Tensor G4 in the Pixel 9 Pro. The Galaxy S24 Ultra flies through the test, delivering an impressive quicker and handles the exit and resume functions smoothly. Similarly, with apps like Instagram and TikTok, the S24 Ultra maintains its lead in speed. When we get to more demanding games like Asphalt 9 Legends, the difference becomes even more apparent. The S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flexes its muscles, loading the game much faster and delivering a smoother gaming experience overall. Next, we're going to do a video rendering test using Endo Rush. Both phones have the same video loaded, and we'll see which one processes it faster. The Galaxy S24 Ultra completes the rendering task with ease, while the Pixel 9 Pro struggles to get started, stuck at 0% for an unusually long time. Unfortunately, this seems to be a software glitch on the Pixel 9 Pro's end, as it fails to render the video altogether. It's a clear win for the S24 Ultra here, showcasing a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's superior processing power and tasks beyond gaming. Finally, let's check out RAM management. Both phones come equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so we're expecting top-tier performance. We'll go back to the apps we opened earlier to see if they're still in memory. The Pixel 9 Pro shows some strength here, keeping most apps in memory without needing to reload them. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is no slouch either, managing to keep up and only occasionally refreshing apps like Asphalt 9. Overall, both phones perform well, but the Pixel 9 Pro's RAM management is slightly more efficient. So what's the final verdict? The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a solid performer with impressive specs and smooth operation in most scenarios. However, when stacked up against the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro falls slightly short. Whether it's boot up times, app loading speeds, or gaming performance, Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the crown in this comparison. Once again, a big thanks to Ctech Air for running these tests. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And as always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy U25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.